Hi, we are Geometry Group number 5, and we are going to prove a problem on segment addition and midpoint of a segment. So here we have one line and 5 different points, A, B, C, D, and E, and the given is segment DE is congruent to AB, segment AB, and to prove that segment AD is equal to segment BE. So before we get to any proving, we're gonna first show you the steps on proving a problem like this. Sammie is gonna guide you through from step 1 to step 4.
Examine. Examine and analyze the situation. Look at the illustration carefully and read the given and what needs to be proved. Translate the given information. List. Now that you have analyzed and looked at the problem, some concepts and geometric terms may come into your head. List all the possible reasons you think you can use so you will not forget them. Reasons that you can use in proving are the given information, properties of algebra, definitions, postulates, theorems, and corollaries. Decide. Decide what style of proving you want to do. You can either do flowchart proof, two-column proof, or paragraph proof. Flowchart proof is a concept map placing the statements of the proof in a box and its reason under it in a logical order. Two-column proof shows a table wherein all the statements or conclusions are in the first column and all the reasons are in the second column. Paragraph proof is when all the statements and reasons are written in complete sentences.
Alright, for the last step, we're gonna go to proving. So today we'll be using the flowchart proof. Sammie is going to draw the boxes and I'm gonna guide you through it. So the first box is gonna be containing the given. Segment DE is congruent to segment BE, and we're gonna list that down as given. Alright, so let's draw an arrow to the next box. Okay, so for our first proof, we'll be getting segment DE is equal to AB, and our reason will be the definition of congruent angles. So feel free to take notes, and just in case you need to take a look back, you can pause and go back to our previous scenes. Okay, so this is going to be a bit long, so stay with me. So we're going to take DE plus BD is going to be equal to BE, and AB plus BD is going to be equal to AD, and our reason for this will be the segment addition postulate. Okay, so for our next proof, it's going to be something a bit similar. We're just going to change some things a bit. So let's start with DE plus BD is equal to BE, and DE and BD is equal to AD, and that will be substitution. Again, you can feel free to look back and see if you've missed anything. Okay, so for our next proof, we are putting AD is equal to BE, and the reason for this will be the transitive property. Alright, now we're here at the last box. Now that we've shown that segment AD is congruent to segment BE, and for reason, congruent segments. Alright, so this is going to be a rundown of what we did. First is the given information, DE is congruent to AB, and then DE is equal to AB as definition of congruent segments. And now that we can say that DE plus BD is equal to BE, and AB plus BD is equal to AD as a segment addition postulate as we defined with previous terms, and then DE plus BD equal to BE, and DE plus BD equal to AD, we substitute the values. Then we put in AD is equal to B as a transitive property. Now since they are equal, segment AD is congruent to segment BE. Alright, so here to list down all of our concepts, let's move to Jvee.
Segment addition postulate. If A, B, and C are three collinear points and B is in between A and C, so AB plus BC equals AC. Congruent segments. Two segments having exactly the same measures. substitution. If x is equal to y, then y can be substituted for x in any expression. Transitive property. If A is equal to B and B is equal to C, then A is equal to C.
Alright, so that's done. So we are group 5, Don Torreda, Sammie Dacanay, and Jvee Francisco. We would like to thank you for your time to view this video and have a nice day.